That's right, Josh. Tsarnaev did not appear in federal court in Boston today. He remains locked in a prison in Colorado. It's also likely he did not request that his attorneys file these appeals. Those are done on his behalf automatically. Legal experts say it's the way our system is set up, and the appeals in this case could take a decade.
June was the last time convicted marathon bomber Dzhokhar Tsarnaev was in the federal courthouse in Boston. U.S. District Judge George O'Toole formally sentenced the now 22-year-old to death. That death sentence set off a series of automatic appeals. The first of those were heard Tuesday morning. The defense team leading the proceeding by asking the judge to throw out their client's convictions and give him a new trial. The defense argued that 15 of the 30 federal counts should be tossed out because they failed to meet the recently refined Supreme Court definition of crimes of violence. In Johnson versus the United States, the U.S. Supreme Court tried to create consistency in the law by mandating that crimes of violence meet certain criteria. The Tsarnaev defense argued that setting an explosive device in a public area does not meet the criteria of physical force. In a separate motion, the defense argued to block government access to documents prepared for Tsarnaev's defense, calling the work product privileged because, quote, the litigation in this case is far from over, and, quote, the defense protections are alive and well in this case. Tsarnaev's attorneys revealed his sisters are visiting him in federal prison and are fighting to keep the content of those conversations private. Several other appeals are pending in this case as well, including a change of venue. The motion has already been denied 4 times, and legal experts say it will be difficult for Tsarnaev to get a new trial based on a biased jury argument because the court presumes jurors follow all instructions the judge gives them.
The judge took the arguments under advisement, will likely issue his ruling in writing within a couple of weeks. Another hearing related to the marathon bombing is scheduled for tomorrow. Tsarnaev's former classmate and friend, Steven Silva, will be sentenced. Silva was convicted of giving a gun to the Tsarnaev brothers. It was the gun used to kill MIT police officer Sean Collier. Live in the newsroom, Amy Cavino, WMUR News 9.